Hi everyone, hope you all must be doing great. So there is an important announcement for the students who are going to appear in May 2025 examinations. I'm starting with a live practice batch for CA Intermediate Income Tax course. The starting date is 6th of March 2025 and it consists of 42 lectures. The completion date is 15th of April, much before your examinations. And I'm telling you that once you attend that batch, side by side, your revision will also be done. So you don't have to worry about a separate revision. Daily, I'll be giving you the homework of 2 to 3 questions, not more, 2 to 3 questions. Maximum, it will take 30 minutes of your time. And by doing that, your writing practice, you will get so much of confidence. It would be a mixture of conceptual clarity and the writing practice because mostly students lack in presentation, right? So you will be getting a thorough feedback of your weekly test. There would be weekly test on every Sunday. After every chapter, there would be a test. Weekly test would be there after the classes would be over. There would be full 3 mock tests and it would be thoroughly evaluated. Wherever you are making the mistakes, if anything you are not writing properly, anything that you are writing in excess, it would be told to you. In fact, all your doubts, all your problems related to income tax would be taken care of. I've taken the batch for January 2025 also, and students have immensely benefited. Today, after the result, they are sending me messages that they have cleared their this paper and they have secured very nice marks. In fact, there were some students who were not able to clear with multiple attempts, and after taking this batch, they have actually cleared the paper. So I'm telling you that please take the full opportunity of this batch. The validity of the batch would be 6 months, completely in English. It would be 6 months. The views are unlimited. The students who are will be opting for live classes, they will be provided with the backup also. And you have an option to go work for Google Drive classes as well. Every day, whenever I'll be taking the classes, the same day the classes will be uploaded in the Google Drive. Even you have the option, the last batch which I have taken for May 2025 fast track batch, even if you want, you can go for that option as well, right? So you can enroll yourself. The link is in the description. The fees is very at a discounted price of rupees 1500. So I'm telling you, please avail this opportunity. You will be highly benefited with this batch. Even you can consult with your friends also who have taken my earlier batches. You will get a very positive response. See you in the classes. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.